Suspended in the silent void of space, far beyond the reach of our glowing blue world, the James Webb Space Telescope gazes into the depths of the cosmos. It does not simply look. It listens. It deciphers. It reveals. With its cutting-edge instruments and unparalleled sensitivity, this marvel of human engineering has become our window into the earliest epochs of the universe and the hidden corners of reality that, until now, have been beyond reach. When NASA first unveiled Webb's images, the world was stunned. The telescope delivered the deepest look at the universe humanity had ever seen. Galaxies stacked behind galaxies, spiraling arcs of light stretched by gravity, and glowing remnants of stars that lived and died billions of years before Earth was born. Yet, astonishing as those vistas were, nothing could have prepared scientists for what came next. A horrifying discovery that challenges not only the limits of astrophysics, but the very boundaries of reality itself. The detection began innocently enough. Webb had been assigned to survey a quiet region of the sky, targeting a cluster of ancient galaxies nestled in a cosmic neighborhood with unusually low background noise. These galaxies, relics of the universe's youth, were expected to reveal secrets about star formation and the building blocks of cosmic structure. But between these galaxies was something else. Something that did not belong. At first, the anomaly appeared as a strange absence, a hole in the data. It was not light nor shadow, but a distortion, a whirlpool in the fabric of spacetime itself. Engineers considered the possibility of a malfunction, perhaps a glitch in the detectors or interference from stray particles. But the signal persisted. Again and again, Webb confirmed it. Whatever this object was, it was real. Its gravitational signature alone was terrifying. The object was monstrously dense, far beyond even the most extreme black holes ever catalogued. Yet it did not behave like a black hole. It had no stellar collapse origin, no event horizon, and no chaotic X-ray flares. Instead, its presence was marked by violent gravitational lensing. Light from background galaxies twisted and warped into spirals and distorted halos, more extreme than anything seen before. Space was being pulled and reshaped in a way that defied existing models. Then came the pulses. Webb's infrared instruments detected rhythmic emissions from the region, not random bursts, but a steady beat, repeating with uncanny regularity. These signals were unlike pulsars, quasars, or any other known astrophysical source. They were not simple radiation. They were something new, occupying a space between high-frequency energy and a property scientists cannot yet define. Equally unsettling was the object's structure, or lack thereof. It had no clear boundary, no surface. Its edges flickered like a mirage. Observations suggested it was not entirely in our dimension, but smeared across a higher dimensional framework. Its gravitational pull could be felt, yet its mass seemed to exist partly elsewhere, beyond our perception. The object's presence warped its surroundings in alarming ways. Gas clouds near it collapsed into chaotic patterns, only to disperse and reform like invisible hands were sculpting them. Time dilation was detected as well. Light that should have reached us in days instead took weeks, rippling through space as though reality itself were stretched thin. Matter falling toward the object did not flare or emit radiation. It simply vanished, erased without a trace. For theorists, the implications were staggering. Some suggested this might be a primordial remnant from the first seconds after the Big Bang, not made of particles, but of raw distortion itself. Others proposed it was a manifestation of dark energy, condensed into a physical presence. And then came the most chilling idea of all. What if this was artificial? A structure, perhaps even a machine, left behind by a civilization capable of manipulating space-time on a scale beyond comprehension. The pulses only deepened the mystery. Could they be signals? A kind of beacon? Attempts to decode them have failed, yet their rhythm is too deliberate to dismiss as chance. More unsettling still, the object is not stationary. It is moving, slowly, intentionally, on a trajectory that will intersect with a distant star system millions of years from now. Across observatories and research institutions, the mood has shifted from excitement to unease. The object refuses classification. It is not a black hole, not a star, not a planet. It is other. Some fear this might not be the only one. If Webb detected this anomaly in what was thought to be a quiet patch of sky, how many more could be lurking unseen in the cosmic voids between galaxies? Adding to the terror are the object's effects on reality itself. Behind it, light appears to vanish, not dimmed, not blocked, but simply erased, as if photons are being redirected out of the universe. On Earth, quantum experiments have shown strange anomalies when the object is in Webb's field of view. Entangled particles drift out of sync, sometimes reacting before their pair has even been altered, hinting that causality itself may be distorted. Even gravitational wave detectors like LIGO have begun picking up faint ripples synchronized with the pulses. These are not the waves of colliding stars or merging black holes. They are too uniform, too precise. This suggests intention. Something is producing these waves deliberately, sculpting gravity itself with godlike precision. More radical theories have emerged. Some physicists argue the object could be a cosmic artifact, a construct embedded with knowledge or even control mechanisms. Others suggest it may be a scar left behind by collisions between higher dimensional membranes during the universe's inflationary period, a wound in reality itself. Perhaps most disturbing is the possibility that our observation has changed it. Just as quantum particles behave differently when measured, this anomaly may be responding to our gaze. Its pulses, distortions, even its slow drift might be reactions to being noticed. If so, then the simple act of looking may have awakened something dormant, something waiting. The cultural and philosophical ramifications are enormous. Ancient traditions spoke of reality shaped by consciousness. Now, physics itself hints this may not be metaphor, but measurable fact. The object could be the first proof that the universe is not passive but reactive, shifting when observed. Even practical systems are being affected. Deep space probes near its coordinates report strange communication blackouts. Data logs show missing timestamps, as if time itself blinked out. Earth-based atomic clocks are detecting nanosecond-scale fluctuations, small but global, increasing in frequency. Time, the foundation of civilization's infrastructure, may be trembling. Some researchers now argue the object is not an object at all, but a meta-construct, a paragraph in the code of the universe. Observing it is like reading a line of cosmic programming. And if that is true, then it suggests others like it exist, each encoding some fundamental aspect of reality. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to uncover the secrets of the early universe. Instead, it may have uncovered a deeper, darker truth. That reality itself may not be fixed, that the cosmos contains entities or constructs we are not meant to comprehend, and that by looking, we may have crossed a threshold. It waits. It pulses. And with every beat, it draws us closer, not physically but existentially, into a mystery that may reshape everything we thought we knew about the universe. So what do you think Webb has found? A cosmic relic, a natural anomaly, or the footprint of something far beyond us? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to Wave's Discovery as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos.